Hey, everybody. So most entrepreneurs build their sales pages the hard way. They start with a blank page and then the spiral begins. And let me know if this sounds like you, because you start thinking, okay, now what should I say? Where do I start? Who's this really for? Oh yeah, what's the transformation that I'm promising? Why would somebody buy this instead of out there? And then all of a sudden you just go down that rabbit hole that hours turns into days. And the sad thing is, most people quit before they even get the page done. But here's the deal. The real problem is not creating the page. It's the clarity around your offer or product. So in this video, I'm going to show you a few simple AI tools that I use to take that rough idea and complete a sales page, plus the social media posts and Facebook ads and all the marketing assets to promote it, like literally under an hour. At the end, you'll see that exact process that I go through from idea to that fully structured sales page. And guess what? You won't be left just staring at that blank screen trying to figure out what to say and wanting to throw your computer against the wall. Just a few simple systems that you can repeat every time you have a new offer. So let me show you how I do this, because again, most people start off at the wrong place. So let me share my screen. Okay, here we are. Now, I was using a tool and I was going to show you the tool, but I think the internet is not playing well today because I can't get to the site. To create all of this, I'm using something called Frank Kearns. And if you've never heard of him, he is a genius in copywriting. He is like the godfather of copywriting. Okay, so I love his style. He has an app. I think he's running a special right now, $49. I am not an affiliate. He doesn't offer affiliates. But anyway, I can't get onto it because the servers crashed. But anyway, I started by using that tool. But let me just say this, and let me come back here and look at you for a quick second. There nowadays, because AI is just moving so quickly, there's a ton of tools out there that will do something very similar. It does not have to be this tool. What we're doing is basically we want that third party or second party to pick our brain and ask us a series of questions. And I have those questions that I'll show you what it's asking. This is the hard part, pulling it out of your mind. We would love just to be able to plug something in and have it write it, but we actually have to answer those questions. And that's what hangs up most of us. But no worries, the questions are structured in such a way that it will give you the clarity that you need, okay? So what I did here was I just copied all of these questions that it was asking. So, and I'm not going to read the whole thing. I'll drop them in the comments if you want it. But the first thing, what product or service are you selling? In my example, I had a couple of different products that I'm selling. Okay, so then we figured out what the main product that I was going to sell. And then it starts asking me very detailed questions about what the product is. Okay. Then it gets into kind of the nitty gritty, the results and the proof. So in other words, so what are some of the current wins that your people have had? Where were they before they started working with you? What are the transformations and timelines and any requirements in order for people to use your product? Then it gets into things like boundaries and upgrades. So what this means is, and let me come back here and show you or talk to you for a second. If you've studied sales pages, and again, I've got a list, there's, you want to identify what is the problem that you're solving? How do you solve it? What makes your product or service better? Okay, what's the unique mechanism that you're using to help them? And then the guardrails and the boundaries and the urgency, in other words, is there a limited time to get it for this amount of money? Who is allowed to join? You have to be making 10K before you can join, all of that kind of stuff. So some of this stuff is just kind of basic 101 sales copy, but you're an entrepreneur and a creative. You're busy working with your clients, creating awesome stuff, not trying to analyze these sales pages. So just a little background information about that. All right, so let me continue on. So anyway, it just goes through, and there were 46 questions. All right. This process is what took the longest, probably about 45 minutes. Now, I did have a pretty good idea of what the answers to all of these things were, but I didn't have them in a document. So another thing that I absolutely love is then it gave me a final summary. So let me just make this a hair bigger. So And guess what? I'm going to save this document because this is golden. Do you see? It's identifying what my product overview is, what's that core problem that I'm solving, and what's the transformation, and on and on. Okay. And then what's included in my product, the whole 9 yards. So again, beautiful, because let me come back here. So we're doing a couple of things. We are having our expert copywriter guide us through writing the sales copy, but we are also building assets for our business that we can use over and over again. So then the next time somebody asks you about, well, who's your product for? Or can you give me a little description? You could just go to the summary document if you want and pull it out if you can't remember. Okay. So let's continue on here. So anyway, you get the gist of what this is. So then the beautiful thing, then the next thing was, here is the sales copy. Now, if you can see this, 30 pages. Frank Kern's style, which just follow the people that have been in the business for years, eons of time, and they are proven. So even though people say they don't like to read, long sales copy is still very successful. So he took all of that juicy information. I keep saying he, Frank's AI machine, took all that juicy information and wrote this sales page, which is absolutely awesome. Okay. This is actually for what I call my AI Business Academy, and I'm getting ready to do a relaunch of it, and it is brilliant, everything that he wrote on here. All right, now, so you go from looking at a blank page, okay, you have something you want to offer, but how do you talk about it? And then what do you put on that landing page or that sales page? So use an AI tool like this to help you extract all of the goodies out of it. Save that someplace so that you can use it over and over again, and then use one of these tools to help you craft this perfect sales page. Then what do you do with it? Well, my number one favorite tool, of course, is GoHighLevel or HighLevel, because then, and this is structured in such a way that I know which okay, this is my main, what we call the hero section. This is the transformation section, all that kind of stuff. And you're good to go. You can just start building it in there. There's also a lot of AI tools out there that actually create your sales page for you. You just give them the copy or give them the background, and it will create it for you. If you've been in my world, one thing that I like to do, especially when I'm testing and trying to prove a new offer, instead of going through the whole 9 yards of actually creating a sales page, what I do is I put it in a Google Doc. I might dress it up just a little bit by, bolding some things. Then I put that out there. So then on my landing page, I'll just talk briefly about it, or in my email sequences. And then I just say, if you want more details, let me know. They say, yes, I'm interested. I just send them the Google Doc. I know what you're thinking, yeah, but don't I need all of this fancy formatting and all of that kind of stuff? Well, yes, it's nice, but what we're trying to do is validate the offer. And if the sales copy is written in an engaging way, people will read it, okay? And they will respond saying, yes, this looks very interesting. I want in. What do I do next, okay? Now, let me show you what else, because once I'm in the groove here, okay, so this is the sales copy. Okay, then when I'm in let me just show you this. So here are the main finished sections. Okay, so the headline addressing the pain point here, problem, agitation, the transformation, the origin story. So in other words, why did I even create this thing? So you're walking along the path with me, how I, found the promised land. What makes my product different than others? Then what are the main features? And then the proof statements, testimonials, and results. Who it's for and isn't, is not for. And then the urgency, pricing with clear value comparison. Okay, so you get the gist. So here's just kind of step 1, 2, 3, how you build that sales page. Then the next thing that I ask it while I'm still in there is, okay, we've done all of this juicy work. Now let's take it a step further and give me some social media posts. And so I ask it to write me 5 social media posts that I can start talking about this. Okay. And again, if you're using a tool that's really skilled with copywriting, then it brought back. So here's what we call a problem focused. Okay, so it's focusing on that. Here's one that's focusing on the urgency. In other words, don't sleep on this. This is going away soon. Okay, keep coming down. The third one is more about the results focused and so forth. So you get the idea. Now, do you see how we are maximizing our time, literally, I did all of this probably an hour and a half. I have a little system. Hey, my favorite word, right? A little system. I create a Google folder for this project. And then anything that takes place in AI, I'm what they call a suspenders person. I always like a backup. I copy everything and I put it in these documents so that I have it. I can find it. Okay. So that first conversation I saved, then kind of the summary of everything we had talked about, then the sales page copy. Then the next thing I asked it to do was, hey, you've got all this information. Let's go ahead and create the social media post and so forth. So let me show you what we did next. Let me find, okay, that's social media post. And then I said, okay, now the next step, take all this information and let's turn them into some Facebook ads. And again, just beautiful. And each ad has a different angle. So again, here's ad 3 that's focusing on the social proof. Let's come down. Ad 4 is like a value stack, why they need it and want it, and so forth. Okay. The last one is a personal story connection. Then what else did I do? He also gave me a little ad strategy, so I know my target audience, all of that kind of stuff. Then I took it a step further and I said, hey, while I'm here, my ideal peoples, they're probably hanging out in LinkedIn. So can you give me some specific LinkedIn, little different language? So it did that. Then it also gave me some LinkedIn post that I can do. So I think you can see where I'm going with this. And then the last thing that I did is I told it to give me some emails. So based on what it is that I'm offering those people. How beautiful is that? And then guess what? Now you have a system that you can rinse and repeat for any of your offers. And basically, it's just that first information gathering. It's somebody else. I have all this stuff in my head, and I know you do too, but it's swirling around. And if somebody just said, okay, tell me all this, just off the cuff, I would be struggling. And then I'd start second guessing myself. And then I would be going down these rabbit holes. So when you use an AI tool, do you see how it streamlines the process? There's no emotion involved by the AI tool asking me these questions. And I just answer the question. And a lot of times, if you use a well-trained tool, it will actually kind of give you some prompts or some suggestions, and especially if it knows you. So it might say, so could it be something like XYZ? And then you read it, it's like, yes, that's exactly what I'm thinking. Or it's almost it, but modify it for this. Okay. So again, do you see how you have that back and forth? And then, the beautiful thing is you have built these assets. Now I'm ready to go with this sales page. I've got my social media. I've got my postings that I can do. I've got my ads, emails, the whole 9 yards. Isn't that wonderful? So this is how I use AI to streamline the hard parts of my job. And for me, it's that copywriting that seems to take forever. And most of my clients and members inside of my AI Business Academy, they struggle with the same thing. And this is just kind of a taste of what we do inside of the Academy. So maybe I can just do a little plug since if you're still watching here. So I've got a no-brainer deal going on. I'll put the link in the comments if you want to read the sales page. Basically, for $97 a month, you get my coaching, my personalized eyeballs on helping you build your offer, all of my unique apps that I have built to make your life so much easier, and it includes your sub agency or your own account with GoHighLevel, all for $97 a month. Now, it costs you that much just out of the gate if you go to GoHighLevel, which I've got an affiliate link down below. I can share that with you. So it is a no-brainer. Why am I offering it so cheap? Because I will be raising the price once I hit a certain number. Right now, I just want to get people into it and let me help you grow your business without hitting your head against the wall, and let me help you stay ahead, if that's possible, of this AI train, because it is running fast. And that is what we do inside of the AI Business Academy. Okay, as always, thank you so much for watching. Hey, if you haven't done it, would you please subscribe and hit the thumbs up and share this with someone that could benefit from it. All right, as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.